In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TM in Canva. First, let's start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. You can use any internet browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've opened the browser, type in the word Canva in the search bar and hit enter. This step is crucial because it will take you to the Canva website where you can access all its features. You will see a page filled with links and information about Canva. Look for the official Canva website link, which should appear at the top of the search results. This ensures that you are going to the right place. Next, click on the correct link and log into your Canva account. You will be redirected to the Canva homepage. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details such as your email and password and click Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the prompts. Logging in is important because it gives you access to all your projects and Canva's full range of features. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard, which is where all your designs are stored. Now that you are logged in, the next step is to either open an existing Canva project or create a new one. If you have a project in mind, navigate to it in your dashboard and click on it to open. Alternatively, if you want to start fresh, click on the Create a Design button. You'll have various options such as a presentation, social media post, or flyer. Choosing the right type of project is essential as it sets the dimensions and layout you will work with. Once you have your project open, you are ready for the next step. At this point, click on an existing text box or create a new one. To add a new text box, you can navigate to the left-hand menu and select the text option. From there, choose Add a text box. If you are using an existing text box, simply click on it to activate it. This step is important because it allows you to insert the trademark symbol in the text where you want it. You will see the text box highlighted, indicating it is selected and ready for editing. Next, to add the trademark symbol, press Alt and the number 0153 on your numeric keypad if you are using a Windows keyboard. This key combination will instantly insert the trademark symbol into your text box. It's a straightforward method, but it's essential because it ensures that you correctly represent your brand or product. If you successfully see the symbol appear, you can adjust its size and position as needed. Now that you have added the trademark symbol to your text, take a moment to review your design. Make sure the symbol looks good and is correctly placed. This is a good time to adjust fonts, colors, or sizes if needed. A well-designed project not only enhances your message but also captures attention. Once everything looks perfect, you can proceed to save your project. In summary, today we covered how to add a trademark symbol in Canva, from opening your browser to using a keyboard shortcut. These steps are straightforward and can be applied to any project where you want to include a trademark symbol. Remember, this little step helps in maintaining your brand identity. Thank you for watching and happy designing.